Hello, welcome to Spot International. Now I will give you tutorial how to unlock someone on Snapchat for your Android. Before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss any of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First, we can click the Snapchat application here. After that, you can click the symbol of the upper of the corner, click the settings, symbols, and scroll down until you meet text blocked. Click this and you can click the fold here. And the text will be appear, are you sure you want to unlock the Snapchatter? And you can click yes. And yeah, no blocked Snapchatter. So this is a tutorial how to unblock someone on Snapchat for your Android. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.